should not have happened. Okay, gonna have to review the footage, but I don't know whether the propeller broke and it smashed the quad into the ground, or whether the arm broke first and that caused the quad to splash into the ground. So, one way or the other, finally have some. Wait, let me unplug this first. Probably a good idea. Either way, we have some nice carnage. So, broke one of the rear propellers. Front ones are thoroughly bent, and one of the rear arms broke. That's okay because I bought a second one of these frames. They're only 11 bucks, so I have 4 more arms. So basically, just unscrew it, put all the stuff in, screw it back in, and we're up and running. All good.